Hey, so I am off to Mombasa and I'm gonna experience the premium. Is it a premium? SGR premium. So far, actually, I'm loving it because they said you don't have to queue. I don't even have to print my tickets, and you don't have to queue. So I'm gonna check in now, and then I'm gonna let you guys know the experience, whether it's worth it. Actually, I paid 10,000 Kenya shillings. That's like 100 or $120. But someone told me it's always 12,000 shillings. But I don't know the reason why, or maybe there's a discount. They have discount, right? So anyway, I paid 10,000 Kenya shillings from Nairobi to Mombasa, and I'm gonna experience it, and I'm gonna let you guys know whether it's worth the money or whether it's not worth the money. Last time when I went to Mombasa, actually, I did use the first class. Back then, it was horrible. But someone said the premium first class, it's well worth the money, and let's go and check in and see how we go. Mm-hmm. Oh, premium. Wow. Tunaweza kaa huko. Hapa nione hapa ndani kama kuna space. Nitapakua ile kiti. Hello. So when you pay a premium ticket, this is gonna be your waiting area. They have all sorts of things, water, juices, sodas that you can purchase, but they do have cup of tea and cup of coffee for free. It's a really nice area, as you can see, with very comfortable seats. I did not enjoy much being here because I came late, and but I had to film, the whole area with no people for this vlog. And before I knew it, it was time for boarding. So let's go and board. Now we are ready to board, and this is the premium coach. It has only 28 seats, so that means it's only gonna occupy 28 people, so less chaos, right? Because less people. One thing I did notice is when I was going to Mombasa, it was almost fully booked, but when I was coming back from Mombasa to Nairobi, we were only 2 people in this space. So you can recline your seat, you can put your seat in sleeping position, you can recline your seat, and of course if you just want to be sitting down the whole train ride, it's up to you, darling. So yeah, you can charge your phone. Actually, you can charge your phone. This is charging, I don't know what's called, this is charging system. And let's confirm them. Yeah, you can see my phone is charging. And just for the record, we are not in October, we are in May. This is just my screen. My screensaver. So you have a bit of space here. If you want to put your drink there, because I have my glass in there. You have these lights in case you're traveling at night and maybe you're gonna be reading something. There is this light. Also, there is all these charging portals, or if you're gonna be listening to music, and the charging portals. Also comes with a TV. As a TV, of course, enjoy the Madaraka Express Premium. That looks so good. I don't know why that looks so good to me. So if you want to listen to music, you're just gonna touch the screen. You can listen. You can watch a movie. You can watch a movie. They have a couple of movies. They have a couple of movies going on there. I don't know, Bad Boys. Yeah, they have a couple of movies if you want to watch something. If you want to be listening to music, there's a lot of different things to do. You can listen to music. There's a lot of there's rumba. There's a lot of a couple of music that you can listen to, right? If you wanna do, of course, if you wanna learn how to operate your seat, you can just read all those things. So another thing, I don't know if I told you guys, this it comes with a big massive leg room. You can't even see, right? So it's very spacious. I'll be honest with you, it's very spacious. And I've even put my backpack, my laptop, and my bag here. It's very spacious. And of course, comes with a pillow, just in case you need the pillow for whatever reason. You have a little bit. Also, another thing that I forgot to tell you guys is comes with this. If you wanna put your laptop here and do some work.
Stop for 2 minutes. All personnel alighting, please prepare your belongings and march on your trains exit door. Thank you for choosing to travel with us.
And you know what? This is gonna have enough leg room. And you know what? I'm tall, so this is gonna have enough space for you to stretch your legs. It's not gonna be a problem. So that's another plus that you're gonna get in SGR Premium that you're not gonna get on the other SGR. What they have first class. They have first class and they have the economy class. You're not gonna be sleeping there, darling. What? You're gonna be sitting down the whole journey, you know. Yeah, I think this is very comfortable, actually. Very, very comfortable position. If I was traveling at night, actually, this would come in handy. And they don't give you blanket, so you have to bring you have to have your own blanket or lace or whatever you're gonna be covering yourself with. But this is nice. Okay, now I want to be in sitting position, so let's adjust the sitting position. I'm leaving Nairobi to Mombasa.
Kindly pay attention to all the announcements and guidance from the service staff in order to maintain a safe and comfortable environment. Please note that smoking on board is strictly prohibited. This train has 12 coaches. We have the premium coach, coach number 2, 3 and 4 are first class coaches, and coaches number 5 to 12 are economy class coaches. In every coach, there are 2 toilets, a dustbin and sink area. Use these facilities with utmost care and consideration for your fellow passenger. Be reminded to wash your hands regularly using soap and water, or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Sit back, relax, stay safe, and have a pleasant journey.
She's alright. Thank you. Oh yeah. Thank you so much. It's not even about the journey yet, but this experience is 10 out of 10 so far. So far, it is 10 out of 10. Especially because the seats, they are very, very comfortable. So these are the views. It's possible to see a couple of animals here and there, but not too much. My phone, I don't know, someone said they're gonna check on something with the Wi-Fi.
Hyper stable. It's not that stable.
That's okay.
But
That's
sometimes
maybe.
it breaks.
Okay, no worries. Wi-Fi is not stable, so. Recently gonna be in Mombasa. 10 minutes. It's 1.
I guess it's the nature of this family and it's strong. So one guy that was but the journey
has been so smooth. Maybe I need to stand up and do some stretches. Here we are, Mombasa area.
Yeah, we're like right here.
We are in Mombasa now. And one thing I've realized when you pay premium, you don't queue. Even when you're coming out of the train, like you don't queue. Like now I didn't have to, like they have their own separate lift. So that's the end of the journey from Nairobi to Mombasa. So you don't have to queue. They use it as separate lift, separate walkways for the people that pay premium price. So yeah, here we are in Mombasa. I'm really feeling hot. Hapana, nataka kutoka hapa tu hapa. Sawa, thank you.
Maana kazi.
Naweza exit hapa?
Pia hapo utaenda tu kwa
Oh, okay. Hapo niende aje? Nataka tu
hapo ile madamu yatoka napo.
Oh, hapo. Oh, wale wako red. Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. We are in Mombasa now. Oh my god. I'm really feeling the heat. But it's not too hot actually. It's good. And that was quite an experience actually. Really, really good experience. I would pay premium again if I was coming to Mombasa again. Okay, I'm gonna call my cab now. And off I go. I can't wait to experience all the experiences I'm gonna be experiencing here in Mombasa. Oh my god. Let me see whether I'm gonna see my taxi guy here. There's a lot of people actually. There is a lot of people.